Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Rockstar account from Steam. So before we start, you want to make sure you have the Steam application open on your computer. And once you've got Steam open here, we'll then need to open an internet browser. Now from a search engine, you just want to type in Social Club Rockstar Login and hit enter. And then head over to this top search result, which will take you to the website socialclub.rockstargames.com. Now make sure you're logged in to your Rockstar Games account, and then you'll need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. From here, select account and then select settings. In the tab at the top, click on linked accounts, and from here this is the typical place you would come to unlink any of your accounts. Now it will let you unlink some accounts here, but Steam isn't actually one of the applications included in this list. So that means the only successful way to unlink a Rockstar Games account from your Steam account is to contact the Rockstar Games support. You can do that by clicking on your profile icon in the top right hand side, click on help and then select support. Now before we start, it's important to note that you must have proof of the ownership for the Steam account, and also you must have a receipt for the purchased game. You'll also likely be asked for the code used to activate the game, so make sure you have these all written down. So what you want to do here is click on account support, then click on Rockstar Games account, and then select account linking. Now in this first box, we're just going to type in the word Steam followed by a colon, and then you need to type in your Steam ID. Now you can find this by heading over to the Steam application, heading over to your profile name in the top right hand side, clicking on account details, and just under my account name you'll have this Steam ID. So we're going to select all of this, right click and press copy, come back over to the web browser and just paste that number inside of here. Then in the message box you're going to type out something along the lines of, "Hi, I want to unlink my Rockstar Games account from my Steam account. I have provided my Steam ID number above. I have also attached proof of Steam ownership, receipt of the game, as well as the activation code used." And then in this upload section here, I'd recommend to upload all of the proof that you have for these three items. Now, you don't need to include this on the first message, but if you just send the message without this part, then they're basically just going to reply back to you and ask for this anyway. So in order to save time, I'd recommend to upload all of this straight away, and then you can just go ahead and submit your web ticket. Now, it says here it can take 24 hours to get a response, but in my experience, it can take several weeks sometimes. It all just depends on how busy they are. So you just really have to be patient, as this is the only way to unlink your Rockstar Games account from your Steam account. So that's it guys. If it did help you somewhat, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.